Meaning of hatch.
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 Hatch. Hatch has multiple meanings, but one of its most common definitions is to emerge from an egg by breaking through the shell. When an animal or bird hatches, it means it has successfully come out of its egg. However, hatch can also refer to a plan or scheme that is devised secretly or in a deceptive way. For example, someone might hatch a plot to rob a bank. In both cases, the result of hatching is a successful outcome, either the emergence of a new life or the successful execution of a plan. However, the connotation of secrecy or deception in the latter definition gives it a slightly negative implication.